guys, thanks for checking out this guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Preach by John Legend on the acoustic guitar. Before you do anything, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure that you do. We've got loads of videos coming out, weekly videos on how to play different songs coming out in the charts, and also some guitar lessons, so make sure that you subscribe as we go along. If the video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up as we go. If you have any comments, questions, please put them in the comments box below. Right, let's dive in and take a look how we play this song on the acoustic guitar. Okay, so here we are zoomed into the neck and the sound hole. So for this, you're going to need a capo across the 2nd fret of the guitar, and it's all in standard tuning, so no special tuning, all standard tuning. So you're going to need to know a handful of chords to play this song. We've got our A minor, and this is relative to the capo, remember, so it's A minor shape. A minor, E minor, F major, and a D minor. So those are the chords that you'll need for the verses. So let's have a look at our A minor. If you don't know how to play A minor, the A minor chord sheet is up on the screen as we play along. So we've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So we're holding on to the A minor for 4 counts, and we're going to just do 1 downstroke from the 5th string down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to move to our E minor. And again, chord sheets up on the screen. And we're going to strum all 6 strings. We're going to hold those, count it for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we move to our F major. And I'm playing this as a bar chord, but you can play it without your first finger barring. You could just play it like you'll see on the screen now in the chord sheets. And you're going to hold that for 4 counts as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we move to our D minor. 2, 3, 4. You're going to hold on to that. 2, 3, 4 for 4 counts as well. And you're going to play from 4th string to 4th string down. So let's try that all together. So after 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you play that twice around, and then you're going to go to the pre-chorus, which is going back to our F major, and then E minor, 2, 3, 4 to D minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're holding on to that D minor on the bridge, on the pre-chorus, for 8 counts, but you can strum again on the 5th count. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can build that up on the D minor into the chorus section. And the chorus section is basically the same chords as the verse. And what we're going to do is to introduce a bit of a strumming pattern now. So we've got this building up. So for the strumming, I'm going down, up, and pause, and down. So down, up, pause, down, and another down. So I'm going. Back into the verses. So remember, you've got to differentiate your playing. You've got to make it a little bit more interesting. You make the choruses and the verses stand out. With the verses, you just want to make sure that you're leaving a lot of space for those vocals. And then on the chorus section, you want to start bringing in that strumming pattern. Like always, play along with the track. That gives you the best reference on where you're supposed to be changing from the verse into the pre-chorus, out of the pre-chorus into the chorus, and then back into the verse. Play along to the backing track. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the next video. We've got loads coming out very soon. If you've got any questions or comments, please put them in the comments box below. I shall see you again very soon.